Hey y'all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am coming to you today with a video on how I make my hair growth oil. I've been sick and haven't been posting for a while, so I need to get some videos out. I had surgery and the recovery was just a little slower than I thought. Still working on that. And YouTube made me start all over again because I hadn't posted in 6 months, but I digress. For all my subbies that hung in there with me, hey y'all, QLife fam, so glad that you are here. And for any newbies that are poking around, come to visit, please take a look at my playlist. I think you will find something that you are interested in, and I appreciate you stopping by as well. Come back again, like, subscribe, share. I am trying to build a brand, so subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing doesn't cost anything, but it really does help out those of us that are trying and struggling on YouTube. So, hang in there. This is a pre-poo video and then showing how I deep condition for wash day. So hang in there and I'll see you at the end. Y'all, you gotta watch to the end so you can see what's going on in my struggle. Okay? Bye. See you at the end. So these are the things that I am using. I got all of these things from Amazon. This is a 32-ounce ball jar. I have 2 of them. I have coconut oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil. Those are what my hair loves. So they're all food grade, but that's what I have here. And then I have my Food Herbs Herbal Hair Oil Mix. And when I turn it over, you can see the wonderful things that are in there. And I divided them equally between the 2 jars. And forgive all the bobbing and weaving because I am one hand filming this. I am splitting the jar of coconut oil between the 2, and then the same with the avocado oil, half in one and half in the other. And then I top everything off with the grapeseed oil. After that, I'm just putting the tops back on both jars. And like I said, these are 32-ounce jars a piece. And shaking up everything so it can mix well together. And this is what we have. So now, I am going to just comb up my hair. I am a low manipulation girl. I probably haven't combed my hair out in about 2 weeks. I use protective styling in between that time. So I'm just put a little moisture on. Now I'm showing you what I'll be using for my pre-poo. The plastic bag, the twisty turby thing, as well as my wonderful oil. See how nice and brown it is after just overnight. So that was a small ball and my strainer here, and I have poured some of that oil into that small jar, and I'm putting my little nuggets back in there because you can use these herbs twice before you throw them out, so that's a great deal. So combing out, making sure my hair is not tangled. I do check the shedding I get, which I just showed you a little bit of that, to make sure that I'm getting the bulbs. So I'm making sure my hair is not breaking off. So I'm just combing through it now, so I can then start my pre-poo process. Here's my wonderful oil, and now I am adding the oil to my hair. So earlier you saw me with the Infusium spreads, which is just a good leave-in, very liquidy type hair conditioner, leave-in conditioner. So that added moisture into my hair to help with now sealing that hair and using the oils and the herbs in that oil to just be like a hot oil treatment for my hair, so it will absorb well. You can use the oils that work for your hair when you make this. I got all of the things, the jars, the herbs, and the oils off of Amazon. So I'm just working the oil through and massaging my scalp. My sister called me on Alexa, so yeah, I'm running my mouth talking to her as well. So I'm trying to grow my hair out, make it stronger, and not just be scraggly at the ends, but you know, I'm gonna have to cut there and keep it moving. I just showed you another little bit of hair coming out. That's really my natural shedding, so it's good to make sure that that is not an issue. So I have gotten all the oil in my hair that I think I need for my pre-poo, massage my scalp well, and I am doing my 2 Pocahontas braids to get my hair ready for sleeping tonight with the oil in my hair. As I am twisting my hair, if you look close, you can see some of the oil as the pressure from the triple twist for the braid comes through. That lets you know there's a good amount of oil there, but it's not dripping, sobbing, you know, soaking through things. So that's kind of a benchmark for you to make sure that you are well oiled. And you concentrate on the ends as well as, you know, the whole hair from the root to the tip, but you want to add a little bit extra to the ends to make sure they are well saturated. Now I'm putting on my plastic bag, which is going to help contain that oil, but it also acts as a heat thing. It retains the heat that's coming off the top of your head through the night and helps that oil soak in. Then I put my twisty turby on top of that, just so that I cannot completely tear up my pillowcase with oil or anything, and it stays in place and it's comfortable. Okay, so I have washed my hair and I am using some Infusium to help detangle, and it's a great leave-in conditioner that doesn't wear your hair down. So I'm just combing through it a little teeny bit and adding my little cocktail of different conditioners. I'm starting with the Apogee, the 2-minute reconstructor, which is a protein treatment, and it's almost gone, so that's why I keep hitting the bottle trying to get it out. And I'm concentrating on the ends with the protein. Those are the oldest parts of your hair, so you want to definitely concentrate on that. Massage that in. Now I'm putting in some Suave coconut infused conditioner. Coconut absorbs well into the hair shaft, so I'm massaging it into my scalp as well as the shaft of the hair. I'm putting some jojoba conditioner on it as well. I'm doing a deep conditioning and mixing them together. Okay. Now I'm using my super cholesterol. You know that's a staple, y'all. You got to put some of that in there. There's protein there as well. Going to the ends and putting that there together. So here's my oil, y'all. I'm using it today, the next day, rubbing that on top of my deep conditioner concoction, and then just really putting it on the top of everything. Putting my plastic bag on. Now I am going to put my little heat device on. I got from Amazon. Of course, everything's in Mandarin, so I can't read none of it, but you can figure it out. It has a drawstring, so I put it on and I hit the little button till it goes up to high, and there you go. Now I have rinsed out my conditioner and I am just combing through my hair, and I normally let my hair air dry instead of blow drying it or anything like that. I wear protective styles, so I'm just going through and detangling. And wrap it up in a nice little tight bun. I just added some more oil to my ends there and putting a clamp on it so that I can, got a piece that popped out, putting a clamp on it to hold it up so it can just dry. And that's how much shedding I got after the wash. So to recap, this is where we started with my herbs in the jars. I poured in my 3 oils to make my growth oil, strained out a little bit to work with, and this is my beautiful oil just from overnight. It got darker and darker. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.